sitting next to the prosperous, booming New San Jose Builders, Inc.'s Project Victoria Station. Victoria Station 2, the 26-level condominium tower, will sit atop a 6-story commercial center, which might supply house and commercial amenities. Victoria Station 2 is handily settled a step off from the MRT system, the fastest means of travel within Metro Manila. It additionally sits near several of the country's largest shopping malls, prestigious universities, places of worship, and government offices. Victoria Sports Tower is a condo project developed by New San Jose Builders, Inc. and contains 130 total units. Units range from studio to 3-bedroom. Victoria Sports Tower at Quezon City, Metro Manila has the following facilities: swimming pool, gym, security, car park, tennis court, and children's area. VS Hotel is highly accessible and located at the Victoria Sports Tower, stationed to along EDSA between the GMA Commuting and Quezon Avenue MRT stations. Its location also offers easy access to popular eateries and fast food chains in Quezon City, with Timig Avenue and Tomas Morato being nearby. Furthermore, Trinoma and SM North are just 2 MRT stations away, making it a convenient choice for travelers and tourists alike. Enjoy state-of-the-art facilities and equipment. Offers basketball, tennis, and badminton courts, and also have private gyms, fitness gyms, and a play gym for your kids. Check out all of these and more only at Victoria Sports Club. Space offers you access to a multitude of sports facilities and state-of-the-art fitness equipment to cater to your active lifestyle. Whether you want to spend a night bonding with your family, relax in our water spa pools, play a game of tennis, or join studio classes, we've got you covered. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.